What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Theo, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of a light I picked up on Marketplace. So this is a Zerjak 30 LED vehicle light. It's supposed to be amber. So I bought it off Marketplace, so it's already been opened. But what we're gonna do, so I'm gonna open it up and see what we got in here. So here's your light. Okay. It's very light. Okay. Brand new. Paid quite a bit of money for it. Paid $30 for it, so it's a lot of money. So it's still brand new, wrapped up. Yeah. So we're gonna unwrap it, and then we're gonna stick it on the truck and see how it works. Okay. Alright, there's some fuses. There's the instructions. We'll get rid of this box. Sticks to that. Sticks to the toolbox. So there we have it. Oh my god, it's stuck on there. So magnetic mount. Side by side. So let's take it and put it on the truck and see how it works. All right, here we go. We're gonna find this spot to set it, see how she works. All right, folks. There we have it for now. It's temporarily up there. We're gonna see what, plug her in and see if she works. I'm gonna. Alright, let's plug her in. Handy dandy plug in. Right here. There we go. Close. Here we have it. I'm back here further. Yeah, so it's got different flash patterns. Don't know how. Let's see what we got. That's the alternating flash pattern. Let's that's the random flash pattern. Alternating. Then faster. Back and forth. I might like that one. Let's see.